Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, we're going to be making a chip bag shaker. I got this idea off of Instagram, so if you want to see how to create these, make sure you watch the entire video. And if you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned. First thing you want to do is print and assemble your chip bag design. I created my design over on Canva using my chip bag template. If you're interested in the template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. You can watch this video to see how to create a chip bag design over on Canva. I printed the labels out on glossy photo paper, and I'm using hot glue, but you can also use double-sided tape. This is totally optional, but I found these pop-up 3D stickers at the Dollar Tree. They fit my space theme design, so I'm going to add them to my bags. You can also make these yourself using cardstock. I'm going to be using these clear plastic bags that I already had. These are the bags that I use for my coloring books. The lady who I seen on Instagram, she used a clear page protector. I am going to have to cut this bag down because I don't want it to cover the entire top of the bag, because I want the kids to still be able to rip the bags open easily. I'm going to be using this double-sided tape to seal my plastic bag over my chip bag, but do not remove the paper from the double-sided tape just yet. You want to wait till after you cover your bag back up with the plastic bag and add your sequin mix. Next, I'm going to add my chip bags and seal the bag closed. As you can see at the top of my chip bag, the paper part is still exposed. That's going to help make it easy to rip these bags open. Alright guys, I hope you found this DIY chip bag shaker video helpful. If you did, please drop me a comment down below, like this video, and share it. I will leave a link to the chip bag template that I use in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.